Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a simple recipe to make bhakri. There are various flours such as rice flour, jowar, nachni or even bajri to make this bhakri. I have used nachni flour. Bhakri is a great option for those who like to eat gluten-free bread. Also, if you're bored of eating regular rotis, this can be an amazing option. Making bhakris can sometimes be a little overwhelming, but in this video I have tried to detail out every step that will help you get a great end result. Let's see how to make these bhakris. Take about 2 cups of water and we are going to boil the water. Let's add a pinch of salt and a little bit of ghee. Switch off the flame once it's boiled well, and now we're going to add 2 cups of nachni flour. The basic requirement to make really soft bhakris is to have a good flour. Mix it roughly and now we are going to cover and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes so that it's easier on the hands to kind of knead it. So we are going to take this big plate, dump all that flour, and just using your hands now we are going to start kneading it. You can also use your stand mixer if you have one, or this step will take about 15 to 20 minutes. As you knead it, if you feel that the whole dough is kind of not sticky enough, you can add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour to get that stickiness, because as you roll these bhakris you don't want them to break. So with the bottom of your palm, knead it really well for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This looks good. Now I'm going to simply let it rest for 10-15 minutes as I get ready to make the bhakris. So here I'm going to take a medium-sized dough ball. It's definitely bigger than your regular, roti dough ball. So just simply apply some dry flour at the bottom and a little bit on the top. Using your hands, we are first going to kind of get everything together. So very lightly start rolling it. This takes a little bit of practice, but as you get used to it, it will get easier. Now using a rolling pin, very gently start rolling it, and finally you will get this nice round shape of bhakri. Very gently lift it. Let's drop it on the hot tawa. Traditionally the water is applied using hands, but I have tried to simplify this step, so I'm using a paper napkin dipped in water. You can also use a cotton cloth. Make sure that the water has dried out completely. Now we'll start releasing the bhakri on all sides and very gently flip it. Cook on this side for 15 to 20 seconds on a medium-high flame. Flip it, and now I'm going to cook the other side on the flame. You can also use a jali that you get to roast the rotis. So cook on all sides for about 15 to 20 seconds. And now here our bhakri has puffed up well and turned out really good. Apply some ghee and it's ready to be served. I'm going to enjoy these bhakris with Kolhapuri chicken, but you can always pair it with any curry of your choice. One suggestion would be that these bhakris go really well with wet curries than the dry ones. But again, up to you. You can also enjoy it with some, chili teza, and it tastes delicious. Look at that. These bhakris, break very easily. They are soft. Let's give it a try. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.